Amiga only build, already pre-configured, up and running, no emulators to install, nothing else, just ready to go? Alright. Here it is, the big Amiga image. You will need a 128 gigabyte SD card to fit all of this on, and the thing about Amiga is it's a lot of setup to get it all up and running, or a lot more than people are willing to put in. Now this is the stock image. If you want to get all the box art and everything else, this does come with some updates that you can add in. So the box art is there in the image, you just have to go ahead and update it. Couple other little update things, I'll put the notes in here, but you need to delete some of the old files, add in the new files. I'm just going to show you the original image there. It's great, a lot of it works. So it's already set up, good to go. So let's just try, for example, Addams Family. You should be able to use either your gamepad or a keyboard and mouse. It's up to you. Okay, give it that. Get some cash over here. Cash money. I wonder how long this hat is gonna last. Remember, where there is a wall, there is a way. Oh, look at that. Already found it. One up, baby. Alright. So, to exit out, you want to press Y and then go to quit. It should bring you back out to Emulation Station. You're probably noticing now there's quite a bit of music, old school music on this image. So if you like that kind of old school stuff, works great. Let's try a shoot 'em up here, Afterburner. Alright, here we go. Whoops, keep pressing that. My bad. Got him. They're on me, I can't get rid of them. Whoops. Might want to rebind that key. Alright, so that seems to work pretty good. Okay, that's working good. If you did want to change your controls, you can go over to input and then change your controls over here. Do custom controls. Okay? Easy peasy. So I'm gonna do a scroll here so you guys can see all the games. That this isn't messing around. Starting with the ones and moving on down. Alright, so there, as you see, there's a lot of games. So the reason why this image is so great is you don't see, if any, images out there with a nice Amiga collection. And this one has it. It does come with some Amiga CD games on the stock one, but it comes with a lot more, I would say like an extra couple hundred Amiga CD games if you run the update as well, which does come with the download file. You just have to transfer those files over either through the network or via USB. But I mean, all the classics are here. This system was known for Lemmings, Doom, the Chaos game, a bunch of other really great games. I mean, this was a solid gaming system for its time. It even, I think, had Street Fighter 4 and a couple others. So just a lot of really great, games. Winter Olympics '88, Winter Olympics, and I think the big deal here is that it's all preset up. The way the Amiga is there's different like clock speeds you can run at and RAM, and it's you have different drives and config files. And so to have it all preset up for you, so you just click the game and it automatically loads and it automatically works with a PlayStation 3 or Xbox style controller is a lot of setup and a lot of headache, kind of done. So this is using the WHD load. There's a couple different emulators for the Amiga as well. And from what I understand, this is one of the better ones. You have a sniper rifle on his back? We're in the world of Carmen Sandiego. That could be good times right there. Weltris, looking for some Tetris. Wayne Gretzky, Hockey 1 and 2. Waterloo. Warzone. Okay, so you get the point. Amiga, over 5,000 titles. When you run the update, you'll have over 6,000. Running RetroPie, Carbon theme, nothing special there, but to have the Amiga already set up for you, a nice working edition of ROMs, to me this would be a nice image to have by itself, and just kind of sitting aside, having a complete Amiga build is so cool, and it does take up quite a bit of space, so having its own card is one route that's easy to do without getting an external hard drive or something like that. So with all that said, I'm going to have to give this thing, if you're into Amiga, it's an A. If you're not really into Amiga, it's probably not even worth checking out. But if you want Amiga, this is by far the best Amiga build I've ever seen. I've seen some other images that do have a few Amiga games on them, like Nacho's new image, and maybe a few others I've seen, but not very many. I would say maybe 3 at most, and I can only think of 2 off the top of my head that actually did have it. So really cool to see that. It was a great image. It's a historical computer as far as, the gate, what would you call it? The gate, it's a gateway system in that it spawned many other systems and gaming and things like that. So really cool part of history. Still some great titles on here as well. And the fact that it's all set up is a cherry on the top. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.